Microsoft Excel Tutorial. Level 1. You can use a template for your new project. Here we use a blank workbook for our tutorial. At the top of the page, you can see different Excel tabs. At the bottom, you can see active sheets. You can double-click to rename them, and click on the plus sign for a new sheet. You can save your project at any time by clicking on the Save button and selecting the directory. You can select a column by clicking on a letter or select a row by clicking on a number. A cell is the intersection of a column and a row. In order to enter your data, click on a cell and type. You can use the Tab key on your keyboard for jumping to the next right cell. Or, hold the Shift key then press the Tab key for moving to the left cell. Press the Enter key for moving one cell down, or use Shift and Enter for moving one cell up. You might have noticed that the invoice number text is not shown completely. To fix that, select the column, then move your mouse to the right side of the column till you see the cursor shape change. Drag and drop the border to get the width you want. But, as you can see, the number still looks weird. To fix this, you need to change the format of the cells by right-clicking on where you want to make changes and then selecting Format Cells. Here, you can select between different categories. There are different formats available to show the date. For our invoice number cells, we don't need decimals and separators. For the prices, we can use the accounting or currency category. Thank you for watching this video. If you found his video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.